Hello students, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. Children, today we will do question number 6 exercise 4.3. The question reads, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So we will first of all draw a rectangular field. In a rectangle, all the vertex angle are 90 degree. This property you have already learned from your lower classes. So 90 degree here. And what is meant by longer side? Longer side is always called as the length of the rectangle. And breadth is always the shorter side. So according to your question, let us assume the shorter side is y and the longer side is x. So for length I write down x and for breadth I write down y. And AC is the diagonal. So diagonal equals to AC. So what do you see in this rectangular? It is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. And this right angle triangle I can use Pythagoras property. What is your Pythagoras property? Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. So it becomes AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC can be written as square root of AB square plus BC square. What is AC? AC is diagonal. So replace AC by diagonal and put the values of AB and BC. AB is x, so AB square x square. BC is y, so BC square y square हो गया. So diagonal equals to root x square plus y square. So this is the expression for diagonal. ATQ, according to question, it is given that diagonal is 60 more than shorter side. So diagonal equals to 60 more than y. Y is your shorter side. Now replace this diagonal by this root x square plus y square. So it becomes equals to root x square plus y square equals to 60 plus y. This is your equation 1. Now according to question, it is also given that longer side is 30 more than shorter side. So I can write longer side equals to 30 plus shorter side. Now what is longer side? I have assumed as x. So write down x. 30, 30. Shorter side y. So bring this 30 to the left side. I will get a equation x minus 30 equals to y. This is your equation number 2. Now these are your two equations. With the help of these two equations, we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So what next? These two equations I am writing down again. First equation was root x square plus y square equals to 60 plus y. Second equation is y equals to x minus 30. Now what do you see, children? These two equations, both of them, they are having x and y variable. First equation is also having x and y variable in it. Second equation is also having x and y variable. With the help of these two equations, I will form a new equation which will be of the quadratic form. Means it should be of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and quadratic equation always have one variable in it. So what can I do in order to convert these two equations in a quadratic equation? This second equation is more simpler one. Y is in terms of x. I can substitute the value of y from second equation in 1. But before substituting, what you see, there is a complication here. There is a square root. So in order to make this equation look simpler, what I will do, squaring both sides of equation 1. Means when I square any equation, I will have to square left hand side also and right hand side also. So if I square, what will this equation 1 become? Square root of x square plus y square whole square equals to, similarly right side, 60 plus y whole square. Now square means root x square plus y square into root x square plus y square. This right side as it is. Now when the roots they are get multiplying, what means? It means the root sign will get removed. Next step में x square plus y square, left hand side becomes x square plus y square. Here you apply the formula a plus b whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it becomes 60 square plus y square plus 2 into a into b means 2 into 60 into y. This is the identity we have used. Left side as it is, 60 square becomes 36 square, y square as it is, multiply 2 into 60 into y gives you 120 y. Next what you will do, this y square, if I bring on the right side, with this y square, it will become y square minus y square, which becomes 0. So that I can show by cancelling also. So I am cancelling this y square from both the sides. So what remains? X square equals to 3600 plus 120y. Now you see that in this equation, it is still having x and y variable in it. So let us bring all the terms on the left side. So right side terms I bring on the left side. So this becomes x square minus 120y minus 3600 equals to 0. Now what you will do, in place of y, from this equation 2 substitute y equals to x minus 30. So x square is x square, 120. In place of y, from equation 2 I substitute y equals to x minus 30, and this is minus 3600 equals to 0. Next step, x square minus, now open the bracket, distributive law, minus 120 into x minus 120x, minus 120 into minus 30 plus 3600. This is minus 3600 equals to 0. This 3600 minus 3600 gives you 0, तो इसको हम यहीं पे कैंसिल कर देते हैं. What remains now? X square minus 120 equals to 0. So come to the next step. X square minus 120x equals to 0. Now from these two terms I can take out x common. So it becomes x. What remains from here? X minus x हमने बाहर ले लिया. So what remains from here? 120. This is equals to 0. Now what you see here, it is a product of two terms. Term one is x, second term is x minus 120. So the product of two terms is 0 if either of them is 0. So I can write either x is 0 or x minus 120 is 0. X equals to 0 is not possible. Why? Because length can't be negative. Because length को हमने starting में x को हमने starting में length assume किया था. So x cannot be 0. So this answer is rejected. Come to the second answer. This was your equation, x minus 120 0. So x equals to 120 meter. So this is your final correct value of x, which is 120 meter. Now I need to find the value of y also. So we will put this value of x in equation 2. What was your equation 2? I am writing it again. Equation 2 was like this. Y equals to x minus 30. Put this value of 120. So I get y equals to 120 minus 30, which gives you 90 meter. So this is your first answer and this is your second answer. I hope children you have understood my question. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Bye bye.